Can you attribute any paying customers to this strategy? Yes, literally hundreds, if not thousands. I've got more clients all over the world, and in fact, WSI Priority Media is one of them. He is in just outside Los Angeles. Hi, Richard. Hope you are keeping well. So it does work. Video marketing does work, and in fact, Richard, I'm very impressed with him. He has started his video marketing journey, and we were talking one day, and he was struggling with the time. He has got the discipline, and he wants to succeed because he's seen me getting all these results. He literally wakes up at 4:30, 5 o'clock in the morning to get his videos done. So there's no excuse, that 15 seconds is not even peanuts. It's literally, you hold your phone up, if you have a thought in your mind, record it, upload it, and you can do that whilst you're watching TV or whatever. And that's what you want to do. See, now these guys, they put up their branding over here. He's really good, Justin. He's branded his videos, how he's done it. And this one, he's just put up a little message that he hit 450,000 subscribers. So he's got a very big channel on video marketing. I would recommend that you follow him. So absolutely 100% this video marketing works. Otherwise, I would not be doing this, Mark. Why would I do it if this is not working? And I'm going to continue doing this. You know that I've stopped going to business networking two years ago. And I don't go out, customers come to me. Where do these stories appear on your YouTube channel? So when people are scrolling on the YouTube app, that's where they appear. Over here, look. Oh, this one has popped up, look. See? So this is where everybody's stories will appear. So the more you put up, the more you are going to be in people's phones. And you click on that, and that has, where have these, why didn't those logo pop up? Oh well, something I think I may not have saved it properly, but doesn't matter. It's not the end of the world. If you make mistakes, so be it.